everyone, my name is Bharti and today I am going to teach you all pronouns. So children, you all are familiar with the term noun. So what is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, thing, animal, etc. So these pronouns are used to replace our noun and make our sentence more clear. Okay, for example, if I say that Alicia is a girl, Alicia studies in 5th standard, Alicia is 12 years old, this sounds a bit awkward, right? But if I say Alicia is a girl, she is 12 years old, she studies in 5th standard, now this sounds good. Okay, so pronouns का यही काम होता है, हम ताकि हर जगह अपने nouns को ना यूज़ करें, names को ना यूज़ करें, but हम words ले सकें जैसे कि she, I, we, they, etc. जिससे कि हमारे sentences clear हों. Okay? So children, these pronouns are further divided into 6 types. We have 6 types of pronouns. And I am going to teach you all these pronouns with the help of one example only. I am going to use a single example, that is this book. I am going to use this book as an example and teach you all the types of pronouns. So let's start. Okay children, so the 6 types of pronouns are personal pronoun, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun and relative pronoun. So children, the first one, that is personal pronoun. These pronouns are used to replace persons, places and things. For example, if I say Alicia has a book, now let's just convert this sentence into a personal pronoun. How will we say this? We will say she has a book. The word she, that is our pronoun, replaced our noun, that is Alicia. Number 2 is interrogative pronoun. Children, interrogative pronouns होते हैं जिसमें भी हम कोई question arise करते हैं, कोई question frame होता है. For example, whose book is this? This is an example of interrogative pronoun. Number 3 is demonstrative pronoun. Children, demonstrative pronoun में हम अपने noun को point out करते हैं. कैसे? This is a book. The noun, that is our book, is pointed out by a word, that is our pronoun, and that is this. This is a book. Number 4 is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun basically shows an ownership or a possession. For example, this book is hers. We used an S to show the possession. Next one is reflexive pronoun. Children, reflexive pronouns are the words that shows an action by our noun. For example, she is reading a book. Here, our subject, that is she, is performing an action, and what is she doing? She is reading a book. Next one is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun adds on information about our noun. They add information. For example, the book, which is blue in color, is mine. Here, I add on information about my book, that the book, which is blue in color, is mine. Okay children, so I hope it's clear. So that was it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.